Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, and to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show this icon, this PC icon on your PC. If you don't see this icon in your PC, how you can show this icon in your desktop. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. So right click on your desktop, go to personalize. From here, go to themes. In the right side, you can see the desktop icon setting. Click on this. And here you can see this PC and another option you can see. In the default, it will be deselected. So that's why you need to select this box. Simply click on computer. And after that, you can click on apply. Or if you want to change this icon, this PC icon from here, then you need to simply click on change icon and you can select any of these. So I'm happy with my default one and simply click on apply and OK. Now this time you can see this icon is appear in my desktop. So in this way you can easily show your this PC icon in your desktop. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel